So tell me, when did you fall in love with engineering?
Why did I fall in love with engineering? Well, I had an extraordinary physics teacher in high school. She was very passionate about physics, and I was actually great at it. I loved physics, but I thought about, hey, that may not be good enough for a career path. But then I remember my uncle and my aunt, they were engineers, and they had a very prosperous and successful career. My aunt being a manager at Ford Motor Company. And I said, why don't I put the two together, my love for science and then the successful career of engineering. And that's when I made a decision in high school that, hey, I'm going for engineering. I particularly like circuits, so electrical engineering was the major of my choice.
I fell in love with engineering when I began constructing and troubleshooting digital design circuits in a digital logic laboratory.
It was when I saw code that I had written myself execute before me in the form of a hangman game. From nothing but zeros and ones to something that was tangible in a visual way. It felt like magic, and I wanted to be a magician. I had to be a software engineer.
I fell in love with engineering between undergraduate and graduate school when I was an intern at Xerox Palo Alto Research Center working on blue light-emitting diodes and lasers.
I fell in love with engineering doing a summer job in my college days. After weeks of designing a digital circuit to detect errors in motors, lo and behold, my circuit worked. I was in love with engineering forever.
I fell in love with engineering in 1999 while I was on an internship at NASA. It was there that I was exposed to a group that was conducting research on a rover that was going to be going to Mars. It was one of the coolest things, and I was smitten ever since.
When did I fall in love with engineering? Well, it happened in my first semester of college when I learned a degree in civil engineering would allow me to perform calculations leading to design of infrastructure that one day I actually could touch. Oh yeah, I was in love.